Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exceptional choice for your child's safety and comfort. The Baby Trend Hybrid 3-in-1 Combination Booster Car Seat, specifically in the stunning Hoboken teal color. This is undoubtedly one of the best forward-facing car seats available on the market today. Designed to grow with your child and provide peace of mind for parents. Let's start with what makes this car seat stand out. The Baby Trend Hybrid is a versatile 3-in-1 car seat that can be used as a harness booster, a high back booster, and even a backless booster. This means you won't have to purchase multiple seats as your child grows. Instead, you can simply adjust the configuration to suit their needs. Installation is a breeze with the latch system, which secures the seat tightly and safely in your vehicle. Additionally, the seat is equipped with a top tether for extra stability, ensuring that your little one is snugly and securely seated during every ride. Safety is always a top priority, and the Baby Trend Hybrid delivers. It features a 5-point adjustable safety harness with padded shoulders and crotch covers, offering both security and comfort for your child. The harness is designed to accommodate your child's growth, with 3 different height positions to ensure they're always safe and secure, no matter their size. The car seat is designed with superior side impact protection, thanks to cushioned padding that surrounds your child. This added layer of protection provides peace of mind, knowing that your little one is shielded from unexpected situations on the road. Comfort is key, and this car seat doesn't skimp on that either. It comes with 2 cup holders to accommodate various drink sizes, which is perfect for those long journeys. Plus, the soft, reversible inserts add extra comfort, and you can easily switch them out for a fresh look whenever you want. So, who is this car seat ideal for? If you have a toddler who is transitioning to forward-facing, this seat is perfect. It supports children from 22 to 100 pounds, ensuring they're safely secured as they grow. Plus, the easy adjustability and comfort features mean your child can enjoy the ride, whether it's a quick trip to the store or a long family road trip. Now, I know parents have a lot to consider when it comes to safety, comfort, and practicality. This car seat checks all those boxes, making it a fantastic investment for any family. The Baby Trend Hybrid's thoughtful design truly supports your child's growth, ensuring they are comfortable and safe every step of the way. In conclusion, the Baby Trend Hybrid 3-in-1 Combination Booster Car Seat is a standout choice for any parent looking for a reliable, comfortable, and safe car seat for their child. With its impressive safety features, versatility, and stylish design, it's no wonder we consider this one of the best forward-facing car seats on the market today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful reviews, and drop your questions or comments about this car seat down below. We'd love to hear from you. Fade out with soft music, and display the channel's logo and subscribe button.